In the heart of the African savanna, where the golden grasses swayed like waves and the mighty acacia trees reached for the sky, there lived a noble lion named Leo. Leo was known far and wide as a brave and wise leader of his pride. One day, as Leo basked in the warm sun, he heard a beautiful melody carried by the wind. It was a song unlike any other, a song of unity that seemed to embrace all living creatures in the savanna. Leo couldn't resist following the enchanting music. He journeyed to the heart of the savanna, where he discovered a circle of animals. There were lions, zebras, elephants, and giraffes, all gathered in harmony, singing the song of unity. The melody resonated with their shared love for the land they called home. The animals greeted Leo warmly and invited him to join their circle. As Leo sang, he felt a deep connection with his fellow creatures. The song wove the tapestry of the savanna's beauty, capturing its essence in every note. But the unity didn't end there. The animals of the savanna decided to work together to protect their home from drought and disaster. Lions and zebras shared hunting strategies, elephants and giraffes worked together to reach the highest leaves, and every creature contributed their unique skills for the greater good. As they shared their wisdom and pooled their strengths, the savanna flourished. There was an abundance of food, clean water, and protection for all. The animals lived in harmony, and the song of unity played a part in every moment of their lives. Leo had found his pride's most valuable treasure, a unity that transcended any borders or differences. He became a symbol of leadership and cooperation, and the savanna celebrated the beauty of their diversity. And so, dear children, remember that there is strength in unity. Just like Leo and the animals of the savanna, when we come together with kindness and cooperation, we can overcome any challenge and make the world a better place. Good night, sweet dreamers.